concept of a high-end prefabricated unit set into a forest environment. A concept home designed for the future, designed by Ivan Venkov. Venkov mentions that the original idea was for the modular aspect to only be included in the interior spaces, but the exterior sculptural look could also be shaped differently if desired. This means only the interior foundation and platform will remain as is. His aim was to make modular spaces more than just functional. Venkov wanted it to be striking without costing a fortune to execute. The aesthetic is based on pillars of modern, minimal and calming design while still catching your eye. The illustration by Venkov includes stock imagery and his original concept designs for details as well, like the Nebula lounger out on the porch and also the automobile parked up in the front. This concept home is a high-end prefabricated unit resting in a forest. But I imagine it can be assembled in other settings as well. This futuristic prefab tiny house is designed for a nomadic lifestyle. Dubbed the Time Holiday, this pod is designed by Chester Go. It is created with sustainability in mind, meaning you can move with it easily anytime you need to relocate. Perfect for those interested in a nomadic lifestyle. This mobile home comes prefabricated, and does not require any foundation. It is built to be structurally sound and can withstand repeated movements and transportation. The topography doesn't even have to be perfectly flat. The pod can expand and contract for easy transportation and installation. Wanting to wake up to the morning of serene blue sea, lush green grassland, or a majestic golden desert in a modular pod that is closely connected to nature has been the driving inspiration to this project, says designer Chester Go. The structure is fabricated from a single curved sheet of fiberglass, meaning it can withstand all kinds of climates. The front and side constitute full-frame floor-to-ceiling double-layer laminated glass panels that provide 360-degree unobstructed views of the outdoors, while helping insulate the interiors.